In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send photos in Yahoo Mail. Open your web browser and head to yahoo.com. Make sure you're on the official Yahoo site so you can sign in securely. At the top right, click the sign in button, enter your email and password carefully, and complete any verification prompts if you have them enabled. Keeping your sign-in details private and secure is important, especially if you're using a shared computer. Once you're signed in, click the mail icon at the top right to open your inbox. You'll land on your mailbox where you can read messages and compose new ones. To start a new email, click Compose at the top left. This opens a blank message window where you'll add your recipient subject message and the photo attachment. In the To field, type the recipient's email address. It helps to double-check spelling so your message doesn't bounce back. If you want, you can add a short, friendly line in the body of the email to give context to the photo you're sending. Next, click the subject field and type a clear, concise subject, such as vacation photo or project image. A good subject helps your recipient recognize and find the email later. Now look for the paperclip icon below the message area. That's the attach icon. Click it to open your attachment options. Choose attach files from computer. Your file browser will appear, showing the folders and files on your device. Navigate to the folder where your image is stored and select the photo you want to send. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well. If you see large file sizes, consider selecting a smaller version to make sending and downloading quicker. You can usually select more than one photo by holding Control or Command while clicking, but be mindful of overall size limits. Click Open to confirm your selection. You'll see an upload progress indicator, and then a small thumbnail or file name will appear in the email once it's attached. If the upload takes a moment, that's normal. Larger images and slower connections may need extra time. Before sending, you can add a brief note describing the photo so your recipient knows what to expect. When everything looks good, click Send. Yahoo Mail will deliver your message along with the attached photo. If the file is very large, Yahoo may handle it in the background to ensure it reaches your recipient reliably. That's all there is to it. Sign in, compose, add your recipient and subject, attach the photo from your computer, and send. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.